sang a little bit of Fire in the Rain. I don't know the whole song, but I'll sing it anyway. Hope you like it. Walked out this morning, yeah, I wrote down a song. Just couldn't remember who to sing it to. I sing fire and I sing rain. I sing sunny days that I thought would never rain. I sing lonely times when I could not find a friend, but I always thought I'd see you again. Won't you look down on me, Jesus? Gotta help me make a stand. Just gotta see through another day. Body is aching, yeah, my time is in hand. Just gotta see me through another day. I sing fire and I sing rain. I sing sunny days that I thought would never end. I sing lonely times when I could not find a friend, but I always thought I'd see you again. Let's do it one more time. That's the music. I sing fire and I sing rain. I sing sunny days that I thought would never end. I sing lonely times when I could not find a friend, but I always thought I'd see you again. That's all the song I know. Thanks, hope you like it, subscribe and all that stuff. Okay, thanks.